Welcome back to Today in History. Get ready to embark on a time-traveling adventure as we uncover 20 astonishing, weird, and mind-blowing events that happened on November 16th throughout the ages. From groundbreaking inventions to historic firsts, this list is packed with surprises you won't want to miss. If you're a history enthusiast or just love a good story, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey. Number 20. November 16th, 1904. John Ambrose Fleming patents the thermionic valve, the first vacuum tube. This little invention became the granddaddy of modern electronics. Without it, your smartphone might still be a carrier pigeon. Number 19. November 16th, 1907. Oklahoma becomes the 46th state of the United States. The land of cowboys and oil joins the Union, proving that America's waistline was expanding long before fast food. Number 18. November 16th, 1914. The Federal Reserve Banks of the United States officially open. Time to make it rain, America. Well, at least until the Great Depression showed up uninvited. Number 17. November 16th, 1933. The United States and the Soviet Union established diplomatic relations, because who doesn't love a complicated friendship with a side of espionage? Number 16. November 16th, 1938. Swiss chemist Dr. Albert Hofmann first synthesizes LSD. Little did he know he'd give the 1960s a reason to be so colorful. Number 15. November 16th, 1945. UNESCO is founded in Paris. The United Nations decides the world could use more education, science, and culture. Can't argue with that. Number 14. November 16th, 1952. The first UK singles chart is published by the New Musical Express. Music fans finally get a way to argue over who's topping the charts, and the Beatles would soon thank them. Number 13. November 16th, 1959. The Sound of Music premieres on Broadway. The Hills are alive, and so is the box office. Get ready for endless sing-alongs. Number 12. November 16th, 1965. The Soviet Union launches Venera 3, the first spacecraft intended to land on another planet, Venus. Spoiler alert, it crash-landed, but hey, it's the thought that counts. Number 11. November 16th, 1966. Dr. Sam Shepard is acquitted in his second trial for the murder of his wife. His case inspired The Fugitive, proving that truth is sometimes stranger and more profitable than fiction. Number 10. November 16th, 1973. U.S. President Richard Nixon signs the Trans-Alaska Pipeline Authorization Act. Oil starts flowing, and so do debates about the environment. Some things never change. Number 9. November 16th, 1974. The Arecibo message is broadcast into space, attempting to contact extraterrestrial life. Earth sends a cosmic "you up" text, still waiting on that reply. Number 8. November 16th, 1981. Luke and Laura's wedding on General Hospital airs, drawing 30 million viewers. Soap operas prove that weddings are a big deal, even if they're fictional. Number 7. November 16th, 1988. Estonia declares sovereignty from the Soviet Union. Tiny but mighty, Estonia steps toward independence with a bold "thanks, but no thanks" to the USSR. Number 6. November 16th, 1990. Pop duo Milli Vanilli are stripped of their Grammy Award after it's revealed they didn't sing on their album. Blame it on the rain, or maybe just bad choices. Number 5. November 16th, 1992. The Hoxne hoard, the largest hoard of late Roman silver and gold in Britain, is discovered by a man with a metal detector. Talk about finding loose change in the couch. Number 4. November 16th, 1997. China releases Wei Jingsheng, a prominent pro-democracy dissident, after nearly 18 years in prison. Proof that persistence pays off, even if the wait is a bit long. Number 3. November 16th, 2000. Bill Clinton becomes the first sitting U.S. president to visit Vietnam since the Vietnam War. He came, he saw, he tried not to bring up the past. Number 2. November 16th, 2001. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone is released in theaters, launching a global phenomenon. Wizards and muggles alike rejoice. Hogwarts, here we come. Number 1. November 16th, 2018. The kilogram gets a makeover as scientists redefine it based on fundamental constants. Bye-bye dusty metal cylinder. Hello quantum physics. Weight loss has never been so scientific. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through November 16th's most remarkable events. If these historical nuggets intrigued you, made you laugh, or taught you something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Today in History. Hit that notification bell so you're always first to know about the wild and wonderful moments we've got lined up. Until next time, keep exploring the past. It's full of surprises.